College of Audiology and Speech Language Pathology, led by Ms. Agya Shahi. The postgraduates of the College of Social Work are next. They are led by Ms. Sonu Maria Sunny. Now we have the College of Education. The graduates are led by Ms. Sucheta. And chief guests may make their way to the dais. May I ask you all to stand in respectful silence. Each new day is a blessing. Let us let go of all the worries and be grateful for all the positives in our lives. God's timing isn't always our timing, and may not things work out the way we planned.
तू ही राम है, तू रहीम है, तू करीम कृष्ण खुदा हुआ, यीशु मसीह हर नाम में तू समा रहा, तू ही राम है.
Light symbolizes knowledge, purity, and the dispelling darkness of ignorance. We invite our chief guest, President of the Day, and all the dignitaries on the dais to please come forward and light the ceremonial lamp.
Respected Chairperson of Dr. M.V. Shetty Memorial Trust, Professor Dr. Hima Urmila Shetty, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor of NITTE deemed to be University, Professor Dr. M.S. Muditaya, Trustees Dr. Ranjit Shetty, Dr. Divyanjali Shetty, Dr. Rohila Shetty, Dr. Iftikhar Ali, Principals, guests, members of the faculty, and dear graduating students, good morning. Graduation day is one of the most important milestones in a student's life. Every student dreams of this day, to walk up to the stage as his or her name is announced and collect their degree in front of their friends and, most importantly, parents.
The year 2020-2021 will be embedded in institutional memory for one important reason: the loss of our founder chairman, our most beloved Dr. M. Ram Gopal Shetty. The question we ask is why? Why was it given to Dr. Shetty to pioneer paramedical courses under private management in Karnataka?
Mrs. Vinny Abhijit Gupta from the College of Speech and Hearing will call on the graduates to ascend the dais.
Good morning, one and all gathered here. I, Vinny Abhijit Gupta, will read out the names of graduating students, both MSLP and BSLP, from our College of Speech and Hearing. I request Professor Dr. Rohila Shetty, Principal in charge of Speech and Hearing, to honor our students with mementos and scrolls. Yadav, John of Pius, Kavya B, Loison Rodriguez, Michelle K, Muhammad Ashkar CH, Naurim Hena Devi, Riham Muhammad Salam, Remigius Emmanuel F, Salim Javed, Sharatlal P, Sri Radhalakshmi, Akhila Gonzalo, Akhila Johnny, Albin Eliama John, Deepa Joseph, Dilna Fatima, E.K. Fatima Samiha, Irfat Ara Rashme, Fatima Fida,
Dr. Prakash Amin, Principal of Dr. M.V. Shetty College of Social Work. I am pleased to present the annual report for the year 2020-21. We remember our founder chairman, Dr. Ram Gopal Shetty, with the highest regard for all the opportunities he has afforded us. Our college, affiliated to Mangalore University, offers a postgraduate professional course in social work. I am happy to inform you that our students have upheld academic excellence and secured 100% result despite the ongoing lockdown and pandemic situation.
Good morning to one and all. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. With these thoughts, I, Dr. Aarti Shetty, take great pleasure in presenting the annual report of Leelavati Shetty College of Education, documenting its development and achievement for the academic year 2021.
I call upon the graduating students to receive the honors. Ambika, Kavyashri, Lalita, Pratiksha KS, Radhika. Sangana Basappa. Shaista Parveen. Shilpa T.
I hereby solemnly pledge and promise that I shall, in my daily life and conversation, conduct myself as befits my profession by upholding and adhering to the laws and standards governing my profession and maintain my honor and credit in all transactions and shall not indulge in acts of malpractice.
Led by Ms. Jishu George.
The graduates and postgraduates from the College of Physiotherapy, led by Ms. Arshi Jeena.
On this 11th day of October 2021, I, Roshni R. Rao from Institute of Allied Health Sciences,
And I, Surabhi Gowda from the College of Physiotherapy, will be a host today.
each new day is a blessing. Let us let go of all the worries and be grateful for all the positives in our lives.
This pandemic has really changed everything around the world. Our basic routine way of living to celebration of big events suddenly shifted to a new normal. It becomes all the more important to unite God's divine purpose for our institution.
May I invite students of Dr. M.V. Shetty Group of Colleges to invoke God's blessings in a spirit of serenity through a prayer. May I request all of you to please stand for the invocation.
राम है तू रहीम है तू करीम कृष्ण खुदा हुआ तू ही वही गुरु तू यीशु मसीह हर नाम में तू समा रहा तू ही राम है तेरी जात पाक खुरान में तेरा दर्श वेद पुराण में तेरी जात पाक खुरान में तेरा दर्श वेद पुराण में
Yet, to give a red carpet welcome to everyone assembled here and to introduce our honorable chief guest and guest of honor, may I take the pleasure of requesting our Director Academics, Dr. Suma S. Rai, to do the honors.
Trustees, principals of the colleges managed by the trust, members of the faculty, graduating students, good afternoon. Graduation is a major event and a transition point for students. It is a step closer to the real world and to your future. But it is also a time to celebrate your hard work and accomplishments. So for this celebration, we have with us Dr. B. Unnikrishnan, Additional Dean and Professor of Community Medicine at KMC Mangalore. Dr. B. Unnikrishnan was the former head, Department of Community Medicine and Deputy Director of Student Affairs at Manipal Academy of Higher Education. He is in the advisory board of Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research at Pondicherry. Dr. Unnikrishnan has published more than 200 articles in peer-reviewed Scopus indexed journal and presently serving as the associate editor for BMC Public Health Journal, academic editor for AIDS Research and Treatment, and is in the editorial board member of Indian Journal of Community Medicine and member of the NAC peer team.
On nursing education, we at Dr. M.V. Shetty College of Nursing implemented measures to support remote teaching and learning by online education through various virtual platforms like Google Meet, WebEx, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. We also carried out online extracurricular activities.
Amita P. Sachi.
L. Gladson Jose, Principal Dr. M.V. Shetty College of Physiotherapy, have the privilege of presenting to you the annual report for the year 2020-21. The passing away of our founder secretary, Dr. M. Ramgopal Shetty, and the pandemic have had their effect on the college. However, take pride for sustaining the physiotherapy courses for the past 31 years at BPT level and 20 years at MPT level, and as a PhD research center affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bangalore. Currently, the strength of our college is 402 students with 20 faculty members. Excellence in academic is the hallmark of our institution. Students' performance have been exceptionally creditable. In final year BPT, the pass percentage was 100% with 2 distinctions. The toppers of other colleges are, the topper was Mr. Gaurav Aryal, so as the Srimati Saraswati Bandari Gold Medal of the institution for securing the highest total average marks in 4 years has been awarded. We congratulate him. The postgraduates too had commendable results with 14 first classes. Dr. Alka Thwana Basu was the class topper and honored with Sri S.M. Shetty Gold Medal, K.M. Shetty Gold Medal of the institution in MBT.
Professor Vaishali Srijit from the College of Physiotherapy will call the graduates and postgraduates to come forward and collect their mementos and scrolls.
It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our postgraduates and graduates today. Dr. Arun Raj. Dr. Atulya L. Dr. Vikash Bowman. Dr. Jaren Subair. Dr. Sachin Goel. And Dr. Sagar Ghosh.
Institute of Allied Health Sciences feel gratified to present the annual report of the academic year 2020-21 before you. This pandemic year has been a learning experience for our college as we offer bachelor's and postgraduate degree in medical laboratory technology affiliated to RGUHS, also diploma in medical laboratory technology affiliated to Paramedical Board, Karnataka.
Safad PC, Amrita V, Anisha Sarah Thomas, Asruddin C,
GNM students to come forward and receive the mementos. I request Professor Christina Sajuwake, Principal, School of Nursing, to do the honor. Chimi Dolma, Tawa Chodin, Sean Logo, Dol Malaki, Lobsang Tenzin,
I hereby solemnly pledge and promise that I shall, in my daily life and conversation, by upholding and adhering to the laws and standards governing my profession,
Principal of Nursing, Physiotherapy and Allied Health Sciences, members of the faculty, other authorities of this institution, members of the media, parents, ladies and gentlemen, and most importantly, the graduates of class 2021.
Now we have distribution of gold medals for the year 2020-21. I request our chief guest, Professor Dr. B. Unnikrishnan, Additional Dean, Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore, to give out the gold medals to the awardees. Srimati K. Leelavati Shetty Gold Medal for BSc Nursing Post Basic awarded to Mrs. Wahida. Saraswati L. Bandari Gold Medal for BPT awarded to Mr. Gaurav Aryal. N.K. Prabhakar Rao Gold Medal for BSc MLT awarded to Ms. Shruti M. Srimati K. Leelavati Shetty Gold Medal for GNM awarded to Ms. Tenzin Chechok. This year, Dr. M.V. Shetty Memorial Trust is introducing the award in memory of our Honorable Founder Chairman, late Dr. M. Ram Gopal Shetty, for the best outgoing student of Dr. M.V. Shetty Group of Colleges. Dr. M. Ram Gopal Shetty Award for the Student of the Year 2021 awarded to Ms. Deena Shine from College of Nursing. Thank you, sir. Now we have distribution of prizes for the toppers who achieved highest marks in the university examinations. I request our guest of honor, Dr. Chaitanya Shivanand, Syndicate Member, RGUHS, to give out the prizes. BSc Nursing Post Certificate, First Year Post Basic BSc Nursing, Ms. Lobsong Jordan. College of Physiotherapy. In first year BPT, Ms. Princia D'Souza has secured the highest marks. In second year BPT, Ms. Asmita Paudal. In third year BPT, Ms. Anjali Kuriakos. Mr. Mohammad Faiz of third year BPT also secured highest marks. In fourth year BPT, Mr. Gaurav Aryal has secured the highest marks. Thank you, ma'am. I request Dr. Ranjish Shetty, Trustee, Dr. M.V. Shetty Memorial Trust, to give out the prizes. College of MLT. In second year MSc MLT, Mrs. Ashwati has secured the highest marks. She also obtained the first rank in MSc MLT university examinations. In first year BSc MLT, Ms. Sandra Verghese. In second year BSc MLT, Ms. A. Saumya has secured the highest marks. In third year BSc MLT, Mr. Farid MV. School of Nursing. In first year GNM, Ms. Mariam has secured the highest marks. In second year GNM, Ms. Sonam Yuden. Thank you, sir. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Dr. Hima Urmila Shetty, Chairperson and President of today's celebration, to make her presidential address.
Chief guest of the day, Professor B. Unnikrishnan, Dr. Chaitanya Shivanand, all our graduating students and those who may be watching the live stream of this event. I had this curious feeling that in this day and age, when people steal other people's identity and access their banks and accounts and things like that.
We have among us our chief guest, Dr. B. Unnikrishnan, and guest of honor, Dr. Chaitanya Shivanand. We would be honored if you would please accept a small token of our regard from our dear trustee, Dr. Hima Urmila Shetty. Ma'am, please do the honors. Dr. Unnikrishnan, to please accept our token of gratitude. Now I request Dr. Chaitanya Shivanand to please accept our token of respect. Thank you, ma'am.
The best gifts in the world are not in the material objects one can buy from the store, but in the memories we make with the people we love. I'm sure we would love to hear from the achievers of today's occasion, the graduates. I now invite Ms. Rachi Rao from College of Physiotherapy to speak on behalf of our graduating students.
I, Ms. Rachi Rao from Department of Physiotherapy, am grateful and honored to be speaking on behalf of you all today. Summing up these 4 years in 4 minutes will be a major task. I would like to start by remembering our founder, late Dr. M. Ram Gopal Shetty sir, to have had such a vision in the field of education and providing us with this extraordinary institution. Coming back to my fellow graduates, a very hearty congratulations to all of you. We have successfully crossed the first step of our careers. I still remember walking through the gates of this college timidly, not knowing what stands ahead, but with a heart full of curiosity. This journey has been tedious, very exciting. Right from the extra curriculum like sports, cultural, conference, the competition has been fierce and cutthroat, yet thrilling. I would like to take this opportunity to share one of my experiences. In the year 2016, when I was just a fresher, being a sports enthusiast, I was very excited about the Dr. M.V. Shetty cricket tournament. Little did I know the hard work that goes into lifting that cup. Scorching hot sun, scolding of the seniors, daily 5 hours of practice. Yet all worth when we were called the winners. The virtues of unity, teamwork, dedication and perseverance summed us to make us the champions. My happiness knew no bounds that day. I'm so glad to have received such a platform to showcase my talent. This institution has not only taught us to learn from our failures, but to celebrate our success. We would like to express our gratitude to Dr. Hima Urmila ma'am, chairperson, and our trustees, Dr. Rohila Shetty ma'am, Dr. Divyanjali Shetty ma'am, and Dr. Ranjit Shetty sir, to be such a great source of inspiration and guidance.
Graduation is an exciting time. It marks both an ending and a beginning. It's warm memories of the past and big dreams for the future. You have accomplished one of the major early milestones of your lives, one that should be recognized for its immense significance. It is an act not only of personal commitment, but also one of pride, which you will constantly share as an alumni with your alma mater and remain flag bearers for your parent institutions. With this, we have come to the end of the formal function. I request all of you to kindly stand for the national anthem.
Janagana mana adhinayak jaya he Bharat bhagya vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladhi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage Tava Shubha Ashish Mage Gahe Tava Jaya Gatha Janagana Mangala जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Caps and gowns to respective staff waiting to take them. Have a great day ahead.